Okay, so here we go. Here's our next step. So what we have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From here, what I'm going to do is as I'm moving, I'm going to come down and slash. Okay? Now there's an advanced thing that I want you to look at, but right now we're working on memorization. Okay? So, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, come down and slash. Okay? So what Neil's doing, can you do that in slow motion for them? His hand is moving around. Bang, here, and his hand is rotating so that his hands come up. Try not to think about the tip moving down. Let's go back one step. So try not to think about this coming around, but instead think about this coming up. That's going to give you the most quick and efficient way to do it. What I'm doing is I'm coming in and just coming around and slash. Oh no, wait, no, sorry. I'm coming up here and then I'm slashing right across. It's a very quick motion. Okay? Again, check out the advanced section of that. Alrighty, now, the more astute of you might notice the next phase in this pattern starts to